Hi guys, what's up? It's me, Alicia. I have this new wig from a newer site that I've never actually worked with before or purchased from before. This is called Ywigs.com. I'm going to show you guys real quickly what came with my wig. An elastic band and somewhat of like a wig net. This is the texture that I did pick up. This is their Brazilian water wave, and this is their lace front wig. So it does have a bit of lace in the front. It has the 3 combs. You don't have to glue it down if you don't want. And of course the elastic band in the front. The density on this one is a 250%. And look at this wig, y'all. Look at it. We're going to work this one out. It is very dense in the front. I'm going to show you guys how I get a unit that looks like this to look very, very natural. Okay, so first things first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some bleach. Okay, so I'll leave all the information down below of what I am using. Taking some bleach and some developer. I do believe this is a 40 volume developer. I'm going to mix it up. I personally like my bleach to be very, very thick, like almost non-spreadable thick, because I don't want it to go down into the hair and bleach the hair. So you guys will see that it's very thick, and some of you guys are going to be like, no. But that's just the way I like it, okay? So I'm going to take the bleach and apply it to the lace. Whenever Elise does a bleaching tutorial, a lot of you guys ask what's the point of bleaching your knots. Bleaching your knots actually makes the scalp look more realistic. So you can bleach your knots and tint the lace. Tinting the lace makes it so that your lace blends in with your skin, and then the knots are transparent so that it looks like a real scalp, okay? So a lot of you guys are getting that twisted. So yeah. Anyways, now that the bleach is applied to the knots on the lace, I'm going to go ahead and wrap the hair up in foil. I actually allowed this to sit on the hair for around 20 minutes, and then I'm going to go ahead and rinse it. Again, you guys, I'll leave all the information down below, what I'm using, you know, to make the hair look natural. I'm just using a neutralizing shampoo just to make sure all of that bleach and developer is out of the hair. If you leave any bit of it on the lace or the knots, you could get severe shedding. So make sure all of it is removed. And I'm also going to go in and condition the hair using my silicone mix. I'll have a more detailed video for deep conditioning your hair coming up very soon, but I go ahead and apply that and rinse it out. Now I'm getting to plucking my hairline, okay? Big shout outs to Diamond Mane, I believe that's what her name is. I learned all my techniques from her, so shout outs to her, okay? But what I'm doing, I just brush the hair going backwards, and I'm using a good pair of tweezers just to make the hairline look as natural as I like it to look. Make sure you also use like a Tango teaser or like a power brush just to remove the extra hairs. And I'm going to go ahead and do the other side. As you guys can see, having the hair damp or wet actually gives you a more precise, you know, hairline. So I would definitely advise having the hair wet. Now I'm going to take some of my foamy wrap mousse, just so you don't have to do this part, but I like to put it throughout the hair to make those waves pop, and also put it on the hairline so that I can do my baby hairs. Baby hairs are completely optional. I get it. It is not for everyone, but you don't have to come at anyone for them doing it, okay? You can do it if you like it, or you can actually leave it if you don't, okay? Personally, when I'm using a lace front, I actually like to do baby hairs because it kind of covers up the lace in the front, but I get it. It may not be for everyone. But now I'm just cutting off the lace. I just take my shears and just go around it. I like to keep it on the mannequin head to get a really good cut, okay? So now I'm just taking a neutral, this is like a dark brown stocking cap, just to put on my hair. And again, you guys, I don't have my hair braided back. I just have 2 little ponytails because I like versatility. Sometimes I like to take my hair out and wear it in a ponytail or do a twist out. So I don't like to braid my hair up completely, okay? Anyways, you guys, I just went ahead and put the wig on. This is what the hair is looking like so far. You guys can kind of see the lightness of the lace. That's why it's very important to get lace that actually matches your complexion. Mine is like a medium brown, still a little too light, but I like to put some foundation powder on it and just go back in with some more foamy wrap mousse and just kind of fix the baby hairs a little more. Again, you guys, you don't need baby hairs if you don't like it, okay? Now I'm just taking some water just to, you know, soften up the hair because that mousse that I put on earlier is a little hard. So yeah, and this is the style that I came up with. I just wanted something really effortless and very springy. you guys can see that front hairline looks a lot more natural than what it looked like before. If you can recall, it was very dense. It didn't look very natural. You know, that is expected when you're getting a fresh wig and you just do a few steps just to make it look a little more natural. So this is how my hair looks so far, and you know, this is so natural and so, you know, it's just very easy to manipulate. You can actually put it up in a ponytail, and mind you guys, I did say this is a lace front. It looks very, very natural. Okay, so that's what that's looking like. Alright, so here are the angles of the hair. If I haven't said it already, I think this hair is a 20-inch. I'll leave all the information down below. I'm 5'8". That's where the hair falls on me. It's a really good length, okay? And the density is very thick. It's 250%, and it definitely looks like 250%. So it's very, very, very thick. I'll leave a discount code down below so you guys can save some money if you guys are interested in picking up this unit. And you guys can see I have no hair out whatsoever. That is just the wig. So yeah, shout out to Diamond Main. I learned all my techniques from her. Again, you guys, this comes from Ywigs.com. Let me know what you think. Peace out, y'all.